Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI Nova and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first step is just go to settings and here find the sound and vibration, tap on that and right there scroll down with your finger and you will see the ringtone, phone ringtone, notification tone, sorry. Just tap on there and now you can see that you can choose one of these notifications tone. If you want, you can choose from the available tones or just you can tap here on the music on device, and if you get some tracks on your phone you can select one of them. So for example, now you can hear. Okay, for example, I'll go with this one, and if you'll go back you will see that your notification tone has changed. So that's how it looks. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.